Hi, my name is Nikhil Gupta and I am from Treewalker. We are a unified automation company. We bring our expertise in complete integrated automation for the warehouse, retail and the manufacturing. We are into the SaaS solution called Gala.ai. Gala.ai is a warehouse automation and retail automation application which is integrated with the third-party ERP, which is integrated with RFID, barcoding, IoT, and robotics. So we bring our expertise from software to hardware, and we solve business problems with our expertise. And we are participating in Automation Expo, and our booth number is B10. And I would like to invite you in Automation Expo to experience the innovations, the new technologies, and how we are helping customers to solve their business problem with our efficient solutions. Thank you so much.